In a single monitor setup, click the Start Comparison button on the toolbar to compare the current exam with the patient's previous exam of the same type. This splits the screen into two sections. On a horizontal monitor, the current exam is shown on the left and the previous exam on the right. On a vertical monitor, the current exam is displayed at the top and the previous exam below it. A light blue asterisk on the Start Comparison button indicates that an exam of the same type is available in the patient's history. If there is no matching exam, the button will display the total number of patients' exams. Clicking the button in this case will still divide the viewport, but the secondary section will show the patient's history, allowing an exam to be manually selected for comparison. If the patient has no other exams, no mark will be displayed on the button. Clicking the button in this situation will open the same exam on both sides of the viewport. To change the exam displayed in the secondary section, click the Patient History button at the top right corner of that section. A timeline will be displayed, allowing selection of a different exam. Please note that clicking the Patient History button in the upper right corner of the primary section will change the current exam instead. To exit comparison mode, click the Start Comparison button again. In a double monitor setup, comparison with previous exams of the same type will be automatically configured through the hanging protocols. During comparison, whether using a single or double monitor setup, window level, zoom, and pan actions between the exams can be synchronized. Use the Link Panels section in the toolbar to manage synchronization settings. Options include disabling synchronization, enabling it for zoom and pan only, or extending it to window level adjustments. To synchronize scrolling between two image series from different exams, manually align the images by scrolling to the correct position. Then, enable the Link Panels with Different Studies option in the Link Panels section. Once this is activated, the series will scroll together, maintaining the alignment introduced.